Hello and welcome to another CF PowerScript tutorial with me, Christian Rauchenwald. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a checkbox to your funnels order forms to allow users to basically copy the billing address into the shipping address, or on two-step order forms vice versa, so to copy the shipping address into a new billing address field. In order to get started, as always, you will have to log into your CF PowerScripts account, and once in there, from the dashboard, go to the PowerScript section. Now this is a script specifically meant for order forms, so you will have to pick your funnel. I'm going to go with my development funnel here, and then you will have to pick your order form funnel step. Now I have a regular order form funnel step here and a two-step order form, and we're going to start with the regular order form, and later I'm going to show you how it also works with a two-step order form. Now once here, all we have to do is click on Add New, look for the CF same address, PowerScript, click on it, and as you can see we have a few settings regarding translations here, but they only apply to the two-step order form and they're already filled in with default values in English. So in most cases you won't have to change them unless your funnel is in a foreign language and using a two-step order form. And you can simply click on Add Script to add the PowerScript to your funnel. Now there's something else we need to do on regular order forms. For that we're going to click on the shortcut here from the funnel page. And if you have a split test running, you would need to do that for both funnel steps if you want to have the checkbox on both. And we're going to click on Open in Page Editor to open the funnel page in ClickFunnels Page Editor. Now here on my funnel step, as you can see down here, I have a shipping address element, and you will notice that this is one element. It's not like the billing address, multiple single fields, but it's actually one element, and it's called the shipping address element, which you can find when you click on Add Element and simply look for shipping. You can find the shipping address element. So it's important that you use this specific element for your shipping address. That's the first thing that matters. And the second thing that we'll need here, we will need to add a new checkbox by again clicking on Add New Element, looking for the checkbox, clicking on it, and here we can change the text to, for example, shipping address equals billing address, or matches billing address. And additionally, you will have to go to settings. And first of all, in the settings, we want to make this field not required because the user should be able to choose if he or she wants to do that. It's up to you if you want to change the contact field name. The value in here will show up in the user profile. Now, last but not least, you'll have to go to the hashtag icon for Get CSS Info, and here change the title to CFPS minus same minus address. Click on Update, click on Save, and that's pretty much it. Now when we click on preview here and the funnel step loads, we can see when we scroll down that we have our shipping address here, but we don't see the shipping address element because the box is pre-checked. And if we were to enter our billing address and submit the order form, it would automatically also submit the same values for the shipping address. And when the user unchecks the checkbox, you can see the shipping element or the shipping address element appear, allowing the user to enter a different shipping address for his order. That's it. That's how it works on the regular order form. Now let's move on to a two-step order form. For that, we're just going to go back to CF PowerScripts, and I'm going to go to my two-step order form funnel step. Here it's even easier. All we have to do is click on Add New and look for the CF same address PowerScript. And again, if you need to, or if you want to change the texts here, click on Add Script and then simply open the live funnel step. We're just going to go from here and scroll down to our two-step order form. Now, an important part here is obviously that you need to have the shipping address enabled in the first place because the two-step order form doesn't support a billing address by default. So without our PowerScript, there would be no billing address to enter. And since ClickFunnels asks for the shipping address in the first step, and it's also split up into shipping and billing, we basically leave the ClickFunnels shipping address element here. I'm not going to fill the things in. I'm going to use a script here to switch to the billing address. And as you can see here on the next step, we have our product selector, and we have a new element here which is called billing address. That text comes from the PowerScript settings. We have our checkbox. That text also comes from the PowerScript settings. And when we uncheck it, we can see our billing address fields here that allow the user to enter a different billing address. Now the PowerScript also adds another separator down here, and the text payment method here is also configurable in the settings of the PowerScript to give the whole order form more structure when you're using this PowerScript. And just like on regular order forms, if the user would keep the box checked, when he submits the order, it will just copy the billing address into the shipping address and both will be stored. And if he unchecks it, he will have to enter the billing address as well and will then be able to submit the form. That's it. That's how easy you can set up the CF same address power script to add that useful checkbox and make the checkout for your customers easier. As always, thanks for watching, and even more so, thanks for using CF power scripts. See you in one of our other videos. Till then, bye bye.